So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix your request is pending on Instagram. Now, the first thing that we can do is head over to Instagram, and then we can then go over to our profile here and then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Now, once we select this, what we can now do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and the first thing that we want to do is we want to check our account. So you need to go to the account status option here. And then if all of these are green, this means that you've got a shadow ban essentially. Now there is different shadow bans that Instagram can implement. So for example, if you are getting your request is pending, what will have happened is that your account will have been flagged as spam or a scam. Now to remove this, there is different things that we can try. Now the first thing is we can try and contact Instagram's live chat support. Now if you've tried to contact them before, you will notice that they are really rubbish, and a lot of the time they will not even answer your. So the first thing that we could try is to try and contact Instagram's live chat support or email service. Now, if you've done that before, you will notice that a lot of the time they will not even message back. So what we can do to try and fix this ourselves is if we go back over to the main settings page here, and then what we can then do is scroll down until you see the option for apps and website permissions. And then if we go in here, click on apps and websites, you then want to remove any third-party apps or websites that you've connected to your account. Now, I've got none on here because they've all been removed, but essentially if you remove them all, what will happen, as you can see here, these are expired. Now, it will then go ahead and sort of refresh our Instagram. The second thing that we can try is if we go over to our settings page, go to the account center option at the top, and then you can then select password and security. So once we do this, you can then scroll down to where it says where you are logged in. Click on that. And then it will show you different places that you are logged in on. So click on the one that you want. And then from here, what you can then do is go to select devices to log out. And then you can then click on select all. And once you select all of these, you can then try and log out of your Instagram account. So the third thing that we can try is heading over to the settings page here again, and then scrolling all the way down to the bottom and then clicking on the logout button. And you will need to leave your account logged out for 24 to 48 hours to leave your account to refresh and then try again by logging in. Now, what else we can try is if we go back, we can go to our Instagram app, click and hold down, and then you can click now to remove the app, and then you can uninstall and reinstall the app. And again, if you do that method, you can also try and leave it for 24 to 48 hours. It's not ideal, but if you do that, it will give the app a chance to refresh and your shadow ban to lift. And hopefully, once you log back in, all of the methods that you have tried here will fix your account and your account will be back to normal. So it's just that simple, guys. If any of these methods do work for you and you manage to fix your account, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.